This BMW M4 is finished in the beautiful Azurite black metallic paint with matching black merino leather upholstery. Factory options on this beautiful example include heated leather steering wheel, DCT transmission, comfort access, light package, adaptive LED headlights with high beam assistance, reverse parking camera, surround view cameras, head-up display, sun protection glass, interior-exterior auto-dimming mirrors, electrically operated front seats with driver's memory, park distance control, rain-sensitive wipers, automatic air conditioning, cruise control with brake function, BMW professional navigation system, DAB tuner, Harmon Kardon surround sound system, connected drive, real-time traffic, WLAN hotspot, high-gloss shadowline, anthracite headlining, carbon fibre accent black chrome, full M Performance body styling, M Performance carbon mirrors, M Performance exhaust with carbon tips. Please visit our website for the full factory specification of this truly unique opportunity. Autostrada are based in Kongsbury near Bristol, an easy 5-minute drive from junction 21 of the M5, 20 minutes south of the M4 and conveniently located for Yatton train station and Bristol Airport.